For this we need Bluetooth module HC05. It has 4 pins: VCC, TX, RX and ground. Here it is Arduino. VCC is connected to the 5V pin of the Arduino. TX will be connected to the RX. Here it is TX, and in between RX and TX we have to connect a 1 kilo ohms resistor, and from here we have to take another resistor. It is 2.2 kilo ohms. As it needs 3.3 volt, so via voltage dividing circuit we have to convert this 5 volt to the 3.3 volt, and I already explained about the voltage divider circuit, link in the description below. It is the ground of Arduino and it is connected to the ground. With the V in pin of Arduino we will connect plus 12 volt. We need 3 NPN transistor. With the base of the transistor we have to connect a resistor. We need 3 output pins. I am using 3, 4 and 5. With this collector we have to connect the red pin of LED strip. Here we will connect green pin, and with this we have to connect blue pin. As we have connected the red pin of with this transistor, so we will take 1 kilo ohms resistor and other will be 10 kilo ohms. Emitter will be connected to the ground, and I am using BD139. Here it has 4 pins, the blue, red and green, and this black pin is our positive pin. So I have written all these 4 pins, and this black pin will be connected to the plus 12 volt, and this other 3 will be connected to the, here it is blue, red and green. So this is all about the circuit. Now we'll see this on the breadboard. Here it is HC05 Bluetooth module. It has 6 pins, but we need only 4 pins: RX, TX, ground and plus 5 volt. I'm putting it here: ground of Arduino, ground of Bluetooth module, V in pin to the positive rail. This 5 volt pin of Arduino should be connected to the 5 volt pin of Bluetooth module. RX pin of Arduino should be connected to the TX pin of Bluetooth module. With the TX pin of Bluetooth module we have to connect a 2.2 kilo ohms resistor, and this is connected to the ground rail. Again 1 kilo ohms resistor is connected to the RX pin of Bluetooth module, and then it is connected to the TX of Arduino. This is the transistor BD139. The first pin is emitter, the middle pin is collector, and the third pin is base. Now I am putting these 3 transistors. The emitter of the transistor is connected to the negative rail. With this base of the transistor I am connecting 1 kilo ohms, and with the other 2 I am connecting 10 kilo ohms. As it is 1 kilo ohm, so with this I will connect with pin number 3. As it is green transistor, so I am connecting it to the pin number 4, and it is to pin number 5. Here it is RGB LED strip. So this will go to positive 12 volt, another 3 will go to collector of the transistor. Here it is connected to the positive rail. Red transistor, blue transistor and the green transistor. Now I am connecting both the positive rail and the negative rail. The program is already uploaded, and you can find the program on the description below. For this you need this app, Arduino voice control. Now I am connecting 12 volt power supply. Here it is negative and it is positive. As you can see, the Bluetooth module LED is blinking. Now when I connect this, it is HC05, and now you can see stops the blinking. Red,
red,
green,
green,
blue,
blue,
yellow,
yellow,
pink,
pink,
sky blue,
tableau,
sky blue,
sky blue,
white,
white,
all color,
all color,
all of,
olive,
blue.
blue.
So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.